and welcome student. Today's lecture is on the ninth component of the eukaryotic cell, that is a mitochondria. This is a simple diagram of the single mitochondria. Difference in between mitochondria and the mitochondrion. The singular name of the mitochondria is called the mitochondria. म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया प्रेझेंट असेल तर त्याला माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया म्हणायचं आणि सिंगल जर सेल असेल माइटोकॉन्ड्रियाचे त्याला काय म्हणायचं माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन. सो दिस इज डिफरन्स इन बिटवीन माइटोकॉन्ड्रियन अँड दी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. The mitochondria is an important cell organelle of the cell. It is also called powerhouse of the cell. Because it generates the ATP. In mitochondria, there are ATP are synthesized, which is required to various metabolism. Then the shape of the mitochondria is oval, spherical, as well as strip-like. And the example, the strip-like mitochondria, the strip-like arrangement of the mitochondria is shown in the human sperm. So this is about the shape. The mitochondria made up of two layers. First is outer layer, which is present outside, and second is inner membrane, and in between outer and inner membrane there are intermembrane space are present in between outer and inner membrane. So outer membrane permeable to various type of the ions because of the presence of the porous protein. जी की कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक काय आउटर मेम्ब्रेनचं, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन वर स्पेसिफिक टाइप चे प्रोटीन प्रेझेंट आहे, आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो पोरेस प्रोटीन प्रेझेंट आहे. सॉरी, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन वर पार्सन्स पार्टिकल पण त्याला म्हणतात. The protein porous protein present on the outer membrane of the mitochondria. Then the inner membrane. The inner membrane folded and form a cristae. This is called cristae. The folding of the inner membrane of the mitochondria is called the cristae. And why the inner membrane of the mitochondria is infolded. आता infolded म्हणजे काय झालं, इनफोल्डिंग कशासाठी असतं, जास्त कव्हर एरिया भेटावा, कशासाठी, टू फॉर्म एनर्जी. त्यासाठी माइटोकॉन्ड्रियाचं जे काय इनर मेम्ब्रेन आहे ते कसं आहे, फोल्ड झालेलं आहे. आणि यावर काय असतात, F1 पार्टिकल्स असतात, F1 F0 पार्टिकल असतात. ते काय असतात, ऍक्च्युली एटीपी सिंथेसिस करण्याचे एन्झाइम त्यावर प्रेझेंट असतात. ते जास्त कव्हर होतात कोणत्या, इनफोल्डिंग मेम्ब्रेन मुळे. म्हणून जे काय माइटोकॉन्ड्रियाचं इनर मेम्ब्रेन असतं ते कसं असतं, इनफोल्डेड असतं, आणि जे काय फोल्डिंग झालेलं असतं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, क्रिस्टी. देन नेक्स्ट इज दी DNA प्रेझेंट ऑन दी मॅट्रिक्स रिजन. Mitochondria has its own DNA. The DNA also ribosome are present in the matrix region. So this is about the mitochondria. The mitochondria consists of two membrane, outer and inner membrane. In between outer and inner membrane there are intermembrane space are present, and inner membrane also possesses F1 and F0 portion which is required in ATP synthesis. The oxisome is a part of the mitochondria. In inner membrane there are numerical particles are present which is called oxysome, or which is also called as F1 and F0 particles, which is also known as the Fernandez and Moran particles, which is also known as the elementary particles, and which is also known as the mitochondrial particle. So F0 and F1 particle present on the inner membrane of the mitochondria, which is also known as the oxysome, which is also known as the elementary particle, mitochondrial particle, or Fernandez-Moran particles. And this particle consists of head and stalk is also known as the foot. The head of the oxysome, and this is a foot region or stalk region of the oxysome. This is a single oxysome which is embedded in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. This is a oxysomes which are present in the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and this is a single diagram which show the head and foot region of the mitochondria, oxysome. This is the F1 portion and this is the F0 portion. Then F1 is also known as the head, which is faces the matrix of the mitochondria, and foot is embedded in the inner membrane. It is embedded in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. Head act as a ATP synthase and foot act as a proton channel, and the function of the oxysome, the pumping the proton and synthase the generate the ATP. This is the function, to generate and pumping out the proton. This is the function of the oxysome which is present in the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and there are two parts. Head region is also known as the F1 portion and foot region is also known as the stalk and F1 portion. Next point is a plastid. Plastid is a main component of the eukaryotic cell and generally which is present in plant cell, some protist and some algae. So plastid are present in the plant, some protist and some algae. So as like the mitochondria, the plastids are made up of two membranes. First is a outer membrane which is present outside, and the inner membrane which is present in the inner side. Outer membrane is also known as the external membrane and inner membrane is also known as the internal membrane. And as like mitochondria, the membrane in between outer and inner membrane, there are space present which is known as the intermembrane space. So as like the mitochondria, chloroplast also or plastid also made up of two membrane, inner membrane and outer membrane, and the space is present in between inner and outer membrane are called the intermembrane space. As like mitochondria, plastid have its own DNA, also ribosome and the RNA. It contains DNA, RNA and 70S ribosome. According to pigment present in the plastid classify into three classes. First is a leucoplast, second is a chromoplast and third is a chloroplast. The plastid classify into three classes according to presence of the pigment. First is a leucoplast, second is a chromoplast and third is a chloroplast. What is the leucoplast? In plastid, pigment are absent are called the leucoplast. In leucoplast, pigment are absent and the leucoplasts are available or present in various shape and the size. And main function of the leucoplast is storage the nutrient, and again it classify into different types according to storage of the nutrient. The amyloplast. Leucoplast is a class of the amyloplast. Plastid. The leucoplast is a class of the plastid and the amyloplast is a class of the leucoplast. According to its nutrient, leucoplast classify into further class. For example, amyloplast storage the starch. Amylo means starch. Amyloplast storage the starch, idioplast storage the oil, and eleuroplast storage the protein. So this is about the leucoplast. Leucoplast is a class of the chloroplast in which pigment are absent, and the main function of the leucoplast to storage the nutrient. And the according to different types of the nutrient, there are class of the leucoplast: amyloplast, idioplast, and eleuroplast. Then next is a chromoplast. Chromo means color. Color pigment are present in plastic are known as the chromoplast, and the pigment generally carotene and xanthophyll are present in the chromoplast. And as we know, there are different types of fruit and flowers. Different types of the color are present because of the chromoplast. म्हणजे जर फ्लॉवर कन्सिडर घेतलं, येलो कलरचं फ्लॉवर आहे, त्याच्या पेटल्स आहेत बरोबर, त्यासाठी कॅरोटीन प्रेझेंट असतं बरोबर. आपण झॅन्थोफिल पण ऑरेंज रेड कलर कशामुळे येतो, क्रोमोप्लास्ट मुळे येतो. त्या क्रोमोप्लास्ट मध्ये कोणते कलर पिगमेंट प्रेझेंट असतात, ते कलर पिगमेंट कोणते, कॅरोटीन अँड दी झॅन्थोफिल्स. सो दिस इज अबाउट द क्रोमोप्लास्ट. It is the second type of the plastid. And now let's see the core topic of the plastid. Plastid classified into third class, chloroplast. Chloroplast made up of two layers. It is present in plant cell, algae, and as well as protist. The size, number, and shape of the chloroplast is differ in different species or different cell. In plant it is found in the green region. In plant it is found in green region, and the shape of the chloroplast is a lens like. लेन्स असते त्या टाइप कसा लेन्स टाइप शेप असतो क्लोरोप्लास्टचा. Also it present in oval shape, spherical, discoid, and ribbon like chloroplast present. And the example Spirogyra. In Spirogyra there are ribbon like chloroplast present. In chloroplast green pigment are present. In chromoplast carotene and xanthophyll means red, orange, yellow pigment present in the chromoplast. In chloroplast green pigment are present, and the inside the cavity there are set of the thylakoid present. This is a thylakoid. म्हणजे दिस इज आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, दिस इज इनर मेम्ब्रेन. आणि इनर मेम्ब्रेनच्या आतमध्ये जी काही कॅव्हिटी आहे ती कशाने काय आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये आतमध्ये एक मेम्ब्रेन आहे स्पेशल टाइपचं थॅलाकॉइड मेम्ब्रेन. आणि थॅलाकॉइड मेम्ब्रेनने काय बनतंय, ग्रॅना. ग्रॅना हे झालं प्युरल. म्हणजे दिस इज अ थॅलाकॉइड आणि दिस इज थॅलाकॉइड मेम्ब्रेन. हे जो काय हे काय जे स्ट्रक्चर दिसतंय त्या स्ट्रक्चरचं जे काय मेम्ब्रेन आहे त्याला आपण थॅलाकॉइड म्हणणार आहे. आणि हे एकावर एक रिंग लाईक स्ट्रक्चर प्रेझेंट आहे, याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे, ग्रॅना. ग्रॅना मीन्स प्लुरल फॉर्म. आणि सिंगल जर कन्सिडर केलं तर दिस इज अ ग्रॅनम. ग्रॅनम इज अ सिंगुलर वर्ड. आणि हे जी काय ग्रॅनम बनली आहे, ग्रॅनम ही कशाने बनली आहे, थॅलाकॉइड मेम्ब्रेनने बरोबर. याला थॅलाकॉइड म्हटलंय आणि फॉर्मला काय म्हटलेलं आहे, हे मेम्ब्रेन आहे थॅलाकॉइडचं मेम्ब्रेन. दिस इज अ वन थॅलाकॉइड मेम्ब्रेन. आणि ह्या सगळ्याला काय म्हटलं आहे, ग्रॅना. आणि सिंगल जर कन्सिडर केली तर ते सिंगल आपण त्याला काय म्हटलंय, ग्रॅनम. प्लुरल ग्रॅना and singular is a granum. And the inside of the chloroplast there are thylakoid membrane present. Okay, and the space outside the thylakoid. आता हे this is a thylakoid. ही जी काय स्पेस दिसते तिथे जे काय सायटोप्लाझम आहे त्याला काय म्हटलंय आपण, स्ट्रोमा. आणि इनसाइड द thylakoid there are various type of the enzymes are present which require or which is essential for the photosynthesis. So this is about the chloroplast. Plastid classified into three class: leucoplast, chromoplast, and chloroplast. And leucoplast again classified into the amyloplast, idioplast, and eleuroplast according to its storage of of the nutrient. Then chromoplast contains specific type of the pigment, that is carotene and the xanthophyll. Chloroplast contain green pigment, and in chloroplast or plastic there are inside the chloroplast there are thylakoid present. Thylakoid membrane made up of the thylakoid membrane, and the thylakoid is made up of the grana and granum. The inside the thylakoid there are various type of the enzymes present, and the outside of the thylakoid there are fluid present which is known as the stroma. So this is about the plastid or the chloroplast. It is double membrane. There are two types of the membrane, inner membrane and outer membrane, and as like mitochondria it contains DNA, RNA and 70S ribosome. So mitochondria and chloroplast are the double membrane cell organelle. The lysosome, glyoxysome, Golgi apparatus, these are the single membrane structure. So thank you so much watching my lecture, and in next lecture we studied the ribosome. So thank you.